Whether you're just starting or you've tried affiliate marketing and ended up with more confusion than commission, this video is for you. Listen, I've been in the affiliate game for way over 15 years, and if I were to start today with 0 followers, $0, and just a Wi-Fi and a signal and a dream, this is precisely what I would do. Pick a niche that pays. Don't chase trends, target problems. People don't go online to be sold. They go online to solve something. If you say you're in the fitness for folks over 40, budget, travel, side hustle, or stay-at-home parents, good, double down on it. Find affiliate programs that solve real problems in your chosen lane. Amazon Associate, ClickBank, ShareSale, even some of the lesser-known ones like Spons are great starting points. Strategy 2, create value first.